Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Star, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I just got home from Sam's Club, so I thought I would do a haul to show you inside my house. You guys, it is literally so hot outside. It's 93 degrees right now, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like walking to my car is like, it takes effort because it's so hot. So I thought, I'll just go ahead and do it in my air conditioning house. And we just got our air totally working 100% now. So we're up and running and the air feels so amazing in our house right now. So anyway, there's one of my dogs eating right there. Hey buddy. Okay. So, all right, let me show you what I got. I spent a little over, excuse me. I spent $102 and some change. And I did have to go back at the end and because, she charged me, the lady overcharged, she rung me up for two of these. I only bought one. So I had to get my money back and it was like $12 or $13 with, CRV and all that. So that was $9.98 plus the CRV. So I got that all returned. So it was like 12 something. So, but I only bought one box. So she had charged me for two. So I always check my receipt when I, before I leave Sam's Club. Also, I was charged for, let's see, 3 sourdough breads when I only bought one. So I was able to catch that while she was ringing up my transaction at the end before I put my credit card in to pay. I had her fix that because I only bought one and it was showing 3. So anyway, all right. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. All right. So sorry guys, I just had to pause the video. My dog had to go outside and go potty. So, all right. So here we go. All right. So I got the Ritz crackers. These were, let's see, I have the receipt. These were $9.54, which is kind of pricey. Sometimes I've seen them less, but that's okay. Then I picked up I needed some more wipes, you guys. These wipes are really, really good. I actually like them more than the DT wipes. These are the Members Mark, and you get 312 wipes, and they're thicker than the ones from the DT. And these were, where are we looking at here? $8.98 for those, okay? Yeah, I just, I used the DT wipes yesterday, and of course, like I've mentioned before, like I don't mind, I like the DT wipes, but I prefer these because like it's harder to use the DT wipes when I'm used to these because the Dollar Tree wipes are just a bit thinner and just don't pick up as much. All right, the next thing I got is they were selling these buttermilks breads in a 2-pack, so I picked up 2 of those. Kind of had to because it was in a double pack, right? So that was, let me see, I have the receipt here. That was, where are you at, bread? Where are you at? $4.68. Okay. Then I picked up the naan breads, and these were $4.98 a piece. But you guys, these are so worth it. Okay, they're so delicious. The original naan. And so this one was like actually kind of open a little bit. So I hope that was me that accidentally did that and not like it was like, I don't think it was like tampered with or anything like that, but I don't like it when things are kind of open like that. All right, then I picked up, I guess I just didn't have much luck shopping at Sam's Club today like I normally do. All right, then, sorry guys, I had to pause the video again because my other dog wanted to go potty. Okay, so, all right, I got the eggs. These were around $8.98. I'll just go ahead and round up instead of looking at the receipt for everything. These were on sale normally from $8 something to $6 something. So that's a good deal for 12 cups. That's a really good deal. I got the milks. These were around $2.50 each. I'll go ahead and tell you exactly what the milks were because I can't remember now that I'm looking at it. Not Pepsi's. Milk was $2.70. Okay. Then we picked up, and the eggs, by the way, were, there's 5 dozen eggs and where are they at on here? There's $8.62, and the Kraft mac and cheese individual cups were $8.92, and then $2 off. So $6.92. Okay, the bananas, you guys, I got 2 bags of bananas. Were $1.23 each. The goldfish was actually on sale as well, which was awesome. So it was normally $9.54, and then $2 off that. Okay, I got only 1 loaf of sourdough bread. This is the one that I was being charged for 3 at the register. So I got the Sacramento sliced sourdough bread. And you guys, that's really good with just like a little bit of butter. Like really, really like it. And that was $2.83, which is a really good deal because I've seen these the same bread at Winco for around $4. So then what else, guys? I got half and half, which is always a good deal at Sam's Club, the half and half. That was $1.98. Then I picked up the black grapes, seedless grapes, which don't know if I've ever tried black seedless grapes before. They were $5.08. Let me go ahead and show you. Here they are, right here. Black seedless grapes. Where are you at? Sorry, it's like turned around. Let me turn it around the right way so you guys can see it. Black seedless grapes. Okay. And these looked in better condition, like not as squishy as the red ones were. So that's why I picked up these. Then I picked up another one of the non-breads. And I also picked up, okay, my daughter was asking me, she's like, Mom, I really want that bread you bought last time. So I specifically went to Sam's Club for this bread. Oh, here's the lettuce. I have 3 more bags of lettuce, but it's in the fridge. I bought a total of 4 bags of lettuce. So here's one. I got the romaine. This was $2.18, and then I got the iceberg, which was, it's in the red bag for like $1.46. So I got the romaine lettuce for that crunchiness, and then the other ones I got the iceberg. So 4 bags of salad total. And this is what my daughter really wanted. This was $6.92 or $6.82, one or the other. But it is really good, you guys. So it's like 2, 4, 6. It's basically like 2 something a loaf of bread in there. But you get a lot. You get raspberry streusel, lemon, and then chocolate marble. So you get raspberry streusel with, for some reason I thought it was strawberry. I think last time it was strawberry. I could be wrong. And then lemon and chocolate. You guys, it's so good in the morning for breakfast. I'm sorry, but I really like a sweet bread in the morning like that. It tastes so good. It's like yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so I think that is it, you guys, for my haul for Sam's Club. If I'm forgetting anything, like by the front door, I apologize. I don't think I am. But yeah, I got, like I said, I got the other non-bread was right here. So there's 2 loaves of non-bread. So yeah, that is it for my Sam's Club haul. And oh, I went to Party City today, you guys, because I wanted to see, what else they had for 90% off. And I found a lot of stuff. So I'm going to be doing a haul tonight on that, you guys. So look out for that video, okay? Because I found some really great deals. I'm so excited to show you guys. I love going there with 90% off. It's like so exciting. So anyway, yeah, that is it. But I wanted to let you know that I did go to Party City and I have that haul to show you. And I also have a Goodwill haul to show you. So I got a couple videos coming down the pike, that I'll be posting and just to let you know what's coming up for my videos. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well and having a wonderful Sunday. And I'll be back soon with my next haul. All right, guys, till next time, take care. See you all soon.